In this video, we listed the 5 best home saunas that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. SereneLife SLISAU35BK. The personal sauna portable steam sauna spa from SereneLife features easy access, sit-in, design and hand access zippers for convenience. It has a compact collapsible design, making it easy to move from room to room. With a 1600-watt high-power heating element, it is energy efficient and can reach a maximum temperature of 122 degrees Fahrenheit per 50 degrees Celsius. This portable sauna is perfect for weight loss, detoxification, and stress relief, and comes with a comfortable sauna chair. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, and can be wiped clean with a damp cloth and mild soap. Number 2. Dynamic Saunas Barcelona 2. Their home wooden sauna is designed for ultimate relaxation, accommodating 2 people for a spa-like experience right at home. Featuring 6 low EMF far-infrared carbon heating panels, it can achieve temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and can be easily assembled in just 30 to 40 minutes. Crafted from natural Canadian hemlock wood with elegant clear acrylic glass doors and side windows, this sauna not only serves a functional purpose but also enhances the aesthetic of your space. It includes modern conveniences such as a built-in MP3 auxiliary connection with speakers for a soothing atmosphere, and a user-friendly soft-touch control panel with an LED display for effortless operation. Measuring 39 inches long, 36 inches wide, and 73 inches tall, with a classic brown finish, this sauna weighs 250 pounds and offers a cozy interior space of 36 inches long, 32 inches wide, and 67 inches tall. Number 3. 1 to 2 person infrared sauna. The Bluetooth-enabled far-infrared sauna offers a user-friendly experience, allowing users to remotely control settings via an app or the integrated LCD control panel. It features 7 carbon crystal far-infrared heating plates that provide 1350 W of power, ensuring a quick 20 to 30 minute preheat time and a maximum temperature of 65 degrees Celsius 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The sauna is designed to comfortably accommodate 1 to 2 people, with dimensions of 40 by 35 by 75 inches, and a weight capacity of 660 pounds, 300 kilograms, making it suitable for individuals up to 6.2 feet tall. Crafted from Canadian hemlock, the sauna boasts a modular, easy-to-assemble design with a glass door and ceiling vents for ventilation. Safety features include a power cutoff mechanism in case of leakage. For shipping, the item is oversized, so confirming contact details is essential to ensure timely delivery. Customer inquiries are addressed within 24 hours. Number 4. Maxxus Saunas MX J206 Sauna. The Maxxus Saunas MX J206-01 Seattle is a robust sauna with dimensions of 41.3 by 47.2 by 74.8 inches and a weight of 230 pounds, designed for relaxation and wellness. It has garnered positive feedback from customers, achieving an impressive average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars based on 248 reviews. The sauna is currently ranked #79, 211 in the patio, lawn and garden category, and notably, it stands at number 75 among sauna products. This model is still available on the market and has not been discontinued by the manufacturer. Number 5. Golden Designs Venice. The Golden Designs Venice 2-person low EMF infrared therapy sauna is a sophisticated home spa solution designed for relaxation and wellness. Priced at $2,299, it features 6 low EMF far-infrared carbon heating panels that provide even and soothing heat, enhancing the overall sauna experience. With a 2-person capacity, it encourages shared spa days with a partner, making it an ideal addition for couples. The sauna is constructed from reforested Canadian hemlock wood, lending it a sleek and natural aesthetic, complemented by a clear tempered glass door and side windows. Additional features include a user-friendly soft-touch control panel with an LED display and a built-in MP3 auxiliary connection with speakers, creating a tranquil environment for any home spa day. The product enjoys a solid 4.5 out of 5 star rating from 95 customers and is backed by a 30-day easy return policy.